in the depth, whipping it away into the deep, and he raises his bat. And there's applause from his teammates. Continue to do the good work for his team. As usual, very good start. Very happy with what is achieved so far. It looks so very at ease while he's playing this innings. He's not allowed any of the bowlers to at least dominate him in any manner. Bided his time, he's played the ball respectfully when it needed, and once he got the opportunities, was in there like a flash. Some of the shots he played have been absolutely top class. Very pleasing to.
Another great start for him. First he went after the fast bowlers, nice drives, on drive, on the offside, then with the spinners, some slog shots, but they were in the vacant zones. He knew he's safe. He's driven them as well, and he's looked top class. 52 not out.
That forward short.
Got 100 on debut ODI, debut test.
Talking about his crouch, he is low, he can come down and just bend his knees and make that little bit of room for himself. Well manufactured shot. It wasn't the easiest shot to play.
Yeah, talk about that, and he's got that amazing timing onto it. This ball is just racing like anything. It is so close to his body, and the way he's just opened his wrists. Brilliant work. Great craftsmanship. His partnership now 100.
The captain has just come across, had a little bit of a chat with his bowler, and to figure out if there's going to be a change in the field. A lot of defense in the deep backward square, deep midway. Have to do something, entice the batsman.